Having the right air fryer can completely change your cooking experience. So in this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best air fryers in 2024. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 air fryers that will meet your specific needs. But now the issue is that an air fryer might work great for one person, but it might not be the best for you. And that's just because most air fryers are not made with the same people in mind. And that's why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect air fryer for you. All the links to find the best prices on all of the air fryer mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The air fryer mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. So without further delay, let's start the video. Number 5. The Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer, a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. So, let's get started. Firstly, what sets the Tasti-Crisp apart is its innovative air crisp technology. Unlike traditional frying methods that rely heavily on oil, this air fryer reduces added fat by a whopping 70 to 80%. It's perfect for cooking a wide range of foods, from fresh vegetables to frozen snacks, all while maintaining that delicious crispy texture we all love, but with significantly less guilt. Next, let's talk about convenience. This countertop air fryer is compact, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen, big or small. But don't let its size fool you. The Tasti-Crisp is incredibly easy to use. Simply load your food into the non-stick basket, adjust the temperature and timer, and sit back as your meal cooks to perfection in minutes. It's truly a breeze. Whether you're cooking for one, preparing meals for two, or need a handy appliance for your dorm or RV, the Tasti-Crisp's compact size is ideal. It's designed with user safety in mind, featuring an auto shut-off function that prevents overcooking and a cool touch handle, making it a simple and safe air fryer for seniors, students, and everyone in between. Despite its compact exterior, the Tasti-Crisp boasts a spacious PTFE non-stick basket inside. This means you can cook a variety of foods, from vegetables to frozen treats like French fries, achieving a more crisp, faster result. Its versatility doesn't stop there. This mini air fryer is not just for frying. You can also roast, bake, and crisp, making it a multifunctional addition to your kitchen. Lastly, with the Tasti-Crisp, healthy food doesn't have to take hours. Whether you're in between classes or just short on time, this air cooker oven allows you to prepare a variety of dishes in minutes. Plus, it's an easy clean air fryer, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. In conclusion, the Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer is a versatile, quick, and healthy solution for your cooking needs. It's a great addition to any kitchen, combining functionality, convenience, and style. Number 4. The Ninja DZ 401 Foodi Air Fryer. This isn't just your average air fryer. It's a revolutionary kitchen appliance that's set to transform your cooking experience. So, let's get started. First off, the Ninja DZ 401 stands out with its 2 independent baskets. This is a unique feature that sets it apart from traditional single-basket air fryers. It allows you to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking. This means you can have your main course and side dish ready at the same time, saving you precious time and energy. Next up, we have the Smart Finish and Match Cook features. These are part of the dual zone technology that allows you to choose between cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, or easily copying settings across zones for full 10Q capacity meals. This ensures your meals are perfectly cooked and ready at the same time, taking the guesswork out of meal prep. Another impressive feature is the IQ Boost. This technology optimally distributes power across each basket, allowing you to cook a whole chicken and side as quickly as possible when Match Cook or Smart Finish is not selected. This means less waiting around for your food to cook and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Ninja DZ 401 offers 6-in-1 functionality. This includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. It's like having 6 appliances in one, giving you the freedom to experiment with a variety of cooking methods. Last but not least, the XL family size capacity is a game changer for large families or those who love to entertain. With the 10Q capacity and 2 baskets, You can whip up a main and a side at the same time for quick large family meals or cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings with ease. This means less time spent cooking and more time enjoying your food with loved ones. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ 401 Foodi Air Fryer is a versatile, time-saving appliance that's perfect for any kitchen. With its unique features, large capacity, and innovative technology, it's sure to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game, the Ninja DZ 401 is definitely worth considering. Number 3. The Breville Smart Oven Pro Air Fryer. This countertop powerhouse promises to revolutionize your cooking experience with its Element IQ system and a whopping 13 cooking functions. Let's explore if it lives up to the hype. First off, the Breville Smart Oven Pro Air Fryer is an all-in-one solution for your cooking needs. It's not just an oven, it's a roaster, an air fryer, and a dehydrator. Imagine having the power to create a roast dinner, crispy fries, and even homemade fruit leather all in one compact appliance. The possibilities are endless. Next, let's talk about the brains of this operation, the Element IQ system. This system uses 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to steer power exactly where and when it's needed. This means no more cold spots or unevenly cooked food. Every dish comes out perfectly cooked every time. Now, who doesn't love French fries? With the Breville Smart Oven Pro Air Fryer, you can make restaurant-quality fries right at home. The air fry setting uses higher temperatures combined with super convection to deliver crispy golden air-fried foods. And if you're into healthy snacks, the dehydrate function lets you make everything from dried fruits to beef jerky. Another standout feature is the super convection technology. This oven has a 2-speed convection fan that offers greater cooking control. Whether you're air frying, dehydrating, or roasting, the super convection provides a greater volume of hot air to ensure fast and even heat distribution. Despite its compact size, this oven is surprisingly spacious. It has an extra-large capacity that can fit 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or even a 5-cute Dutch oven. It's large enough to fit most 9 by 13-inch pans and 12-cup muffin trays. So, whether you're cooking for one or hosting a dinner party, this oven has got you covered. In conclusion, the Breville Smart Oven Pro Air Fryer is a versatile, intelligent, and spacious appliance that's perfect for any kitchen. With its 2-year limited product warranty, it's a risk-free investment for your cooking needs. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game, this is the oven for you. Number 2. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, a versatile kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. This isn't just any ordinary air fryer, it's a game changer. So, let's dive in. First off, this air fryer isn't just an air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 powerhouse that can air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. Imagine having 6 appliances in one compact design. This means you can make crispy fries, perfectly broiled steaks, juicy roasts, dehydrated fruits, fluffy cakes, and even reheat your leftovers, all with one device. Next up is the Even Crisp technology. This advanced feature drives airflow from top to bottom, ensuring a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food. This technology ensures that your food is cooked evenly and to perfection, giving you that restaurant-quality finish right at home. Moving on, the one-touch smart programs are a game changer. With just one touch, you can whip up wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Talk about convenience. These preset programs take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Another impressive feature is the fast preheating, from frozen to golden in minutes. This air fryer lets you create gourmet meals with a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. No more waiting around for your oven to preheat. With the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, you can start cooking right away. Finally, the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray make cleanup a breeze. Because who wants to spend time scrubbing when you could be enjoying your delicious creations? The non-stick coating ensures that food slides right off, and being dishwasher safe means you can simply pop it in the dishwasher and let it do the work. In conclusion, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is a must-have for any kitchen. Its compact design, stainless steel accents, and safety features make it a great addition to your countertop. Plus, with the free Instant Brands Connect app, you can discover amazing recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals. This air fryer is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a kitchen revolution. Number 1. The COSORI Oven Pro Air Fryer, a game changer in the kitchen. So, buckle up as we embark on this culinary journey. Firstly, what sets the COSORI Oven Pro Air Fryer apart is its ability to save your favorite flavors. It offers customizable cooking functions, allowing you to modify and save the time and temperature of any preset. This means you can tailor your cooking to your specific tastes. What's more, you can add or remove a personal shake reminder to suit your preference, making it a truly personalized cooking experience. Next up is the adaptive technology. This innovative feature ensures rapid 360 degrees air circulation, heating food quickly and evenly. It provides crispy textures and even results, replicating the quality of a professional chef right in your kitchen. So, whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner party, the adaptive technology will help you create meals that everyone will love. Let's talk about the 12-1 touch cooking functions. This air fryer is not just an appliance. It's your personal chef that can cook steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, and more. It even has functions for toast, bake, preheat, and keep warm. With just one touch, you can cook a variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Another impressive feature is the personalized shake reminder. You can add or cancel the built-in shake reminder to suit your preference. This means you can customize your cooking process even further, making it as convenient and user-friendly as possible. Lastly, but certainly not least, the COSORI Oven Pro Air Fryer includes a COSORI cookbook. This cookbook is filled with delicious, chef-created recipes. With 100 options to browse, you'll never run out of ideas for your next meal. It's a source of inspiration that will keep your culinary creativity flowing. In conclusion, the COSORI Oven Pro Air Fryer is more than just an appliance. It's a versatile and user-friendly addition to your kitchen, perfect for serving 3 to 5 people. It's dishwasher safe and easy to clean. And the best part, it's proudly based in California. So why wait? Start your COSORI journey today and experience the joy of effortless cooking. So that wraps up our list of the best air fryers on the market in 2024. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.